A well-maintained, semi-detached home situated within a quiet enclave of Pickering's West End. Welcome to 238 Shadow Place. Featuring a brick exterior, single-car garage, a covered front porch, and freshly painted throughout, this home's entrance door has a decorative glass insert as well as a sidelight, allowing for additional light into its ceramic-tiled reception foyer and complementing the already naturally bright interior of the main level. The foyer has double-sized closet space, and off the reception hall is a powder room with a pedestal sink, access to the garage, and access to an unfinished lower level with a laundry area that has lots of potential for additional household living space. Ceramic tiled floors are also found in both the functionally designed kitchen and its adjacent breakfast area, while hardwood flooring adds a finishing touch to an open concept living and dining room warmed by a cozy fireplace and light through south and east facing windows. Decor columns add an elegant and stately presence to the entryway between the living room and the breakfast area, which has sliding door access onto a deck ideal for year-round barbecuing and which steps down to a fenced backyard that overlooks a ravine setting. Bar seating at the kitchen counter is perfect for quick snacks and meals, and the kitchen also features a ceramic tiled backsplash, ample cabinetry storage, as well as fridge, stove, and built-in dishwasher. Taking you to the upper level is a carpeted staircase with a hardwood railing, and this also naturally bright level features carpeting throughout, 3 bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. The second and third bedrooms are quite spacious, have double-sized closets, as well as large windows through which to enjoy the natural beauty of the nearby ravine. And both share the 4-piece main washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The master bedroom is very generously sized and features a ceiling fan, 2 sets of windows for natural brightness, a sitting area, and a walkout onto its own private balcony overlooking the street. Completing this bedroom is a spacious walk-in closet, as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. There are numerous schools to choose from, including Elizabeth B. Finn Public and St. Monica Catholic Elementary Schools, as well as Maple Ridge Public, St. Isaac Jogues Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, which offer French immersion programs. Nearby green spaces, including the neighborhood ravine, Altona Forest, and Rouge Park, offer a multitude of outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and nature watching. Public transit is within walking distance, while other important amenities such as shopping, community and recreational facilities, places of worship, the Pickering GO station, as well as access to highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away.